Imagine the sound of your morning coffee brewing while your home wakes up around you. Not because of a preset timer, but because your house actually understands your routine. We have been waiting since 2020 for Apple to finally address the elephant in the room. The HomePod Mini is officially ancient in tech years. But as we move deep into 2026, the silence from Cupertino is about to be shattered by something far more powerful than a simple speaker refresh. Internal leaks from the supply chain, codenamed B525, suggest that Apple isn't just giving us a HomePod Mini 2. They're preparing a total brain transplant for the smart home. We are talking about a leap from the aging S5 chip, hardware that literally debuted with the Apple Watch Series 5, all the way to a custom S10 or even S11 Silicon architecture. This isn't just about playing music louder. It's about the integration of Apple Intelligence into the very fabric of your living space. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now, if you've been holding off on buying a smart speaker, your patience is about to pay off in a massive way because the details surfacing about the HomePod Mini 2 suggest a device that finally earns the title of smart. The core of this revolution starts with the silicon. For years, the HomePod Mini has struggled with Siri's latency. You ask a question, and there's that frustrating 2-second pause while the request travels to Apple's servers and back. The 2026 HomePod Mini 2 is rumored to change that forever by bringing on-device processing to the forefront. By utilizing the S10's dedicated neural engine, Siri will finally have the muscles to handle commands locally. This means that when you ask to turn off the lights or set a scene, the response will be instantaneous. Zero lag, zero working on that, and no more one moment, please. This shift to local AI is the cornerstone of Apple's broader 2026 smart home push, which aims to make the ecosystem more private and significantly faster than anything Google or Amazon currently offers. But the brain transplant doesn't stop at the processor. One of the most exciting leaks concerns a new N1 connectivity chip. If you've ever experienced the device not responding error in the Home app, you know how brittle smart home connections can be. The HomePod Mini 2 is expected to debut with Wi-Fi 6E support, moving your smart home traffic to the less congested 6 GHz band. This is a game changer for people living in crowded apartments or homes with dozens of connected gadgets. Combined with an upgraded second-generation ultra-wideband chip, the handoff experience, where you tap your iPhone to the speaker to transfer music, is going to feel like magic again. No more hovering your phone over the speaker waiting for a connection. It will be precise, fast, and reliable from further away. Acoustically, Apple is rumored to be borrowing some high-end tech from the full-sized HomePod 2. While the physical footprint of the Mini 2 will remain nearly identical to keep that $99 sweet spot price, the internals are getting a complete overhaul. We're looking at a new high-excursion woofer and refined passive radiators that promise deeper bass without distorting the mids. But the real secret sauce is adaptive room sensing. Current leaks suggest that the Mini 2 will use its microphones to analyze the reflection of sound off your walls in real time, automatically tuning the EQ to match the room's acoustics. Whether you place it in a corner, on a bookshelf, or in the middle of a large kitchen, the speaker will calibrate itself to ensure the soundstage remains open and balanced. Perhaps the most insane leak we've seen involves a hidden security mode. Rumors from the iOS 27 beta code suggest that the HomePod Mini 2 could act as a sophisticated home security hub. Using its advanced microphones, it could listen for the specific frequency of smoke alarm or glass breaking and immediately send a critical alert to your iPhone, along with a live audio feed. There's even talk of the speaker using its sensors to detect presence without a camera, knowing exactly which room you are in to follow you with your music or adjust the temperature via the built-in humidity and thermal sensors. Visually, Apple knows that the Mini is as much a piece of decor as it is a gadget. While the iconic mesh design stays, 2026 is bringing a fresh palette of colors. Beyond the standard white and midnight, we are hearing whispers of a deep crimson and a sage green that align with the aesthetic of the latest iPhone Pro models. These colors aren't just for show. They represent a more mature, integrated look for the modern home. The timeline for all of this is sharpening. While many expected a spring 2026 reveal, the most reliable analysts now point toward a major fall 2026 rollout alongside the iPhone 18. This delay is reportedly due to Apple's commitment to launching the HomePod Mini 2 alongside a completely revamped Siri 2.0. Apple doesn't just want to sell you a speaker, they want to sell you an AI assistant that actually knows who you are. With facial and voice recognition, the HomePod Mini 2 will be able to distinguish between family members, offering personalized playlists, calendar reminders, and even loud budgeting updates specifically for the person speaking.